chicken. Ang dami niyang nakakain ng mga dami. Hindi lang po siya nag-iisa, yun pa. Basta nangyayala. Nangyayalain sila. Nangyayalain ng ating pambansang hayop. Yan. This is our national animal. One of our national animal. They're going to eat the grass. They love to eat the grass. And they're also taking a bath over there. There. Look at that. The wetland. Okay. I just want to say thank you to those who subscribe to my YouTube channel and to those who wants to subscribe, just subscribe it. Thank you.